Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm gonna present about continuous assessment of FPA200, which the title is Maintenance and Harvesting Activities in Pineapple. So at first, let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Hidayat bin Zahid and I'm from UiTM Pahang Campus Jengke. And my matrix number is 2020833208. And I'm from Faculty of Plantation Management. So as you guys see in the introduction, this is the banner of Jengke Pine, which is project of planting the pineapple in Jengke, in UiTM Jengke's farm. So the MD2 pineapple planting project, also known as Jengke Pine, began in February 2020. This planting project was initiated in order to meet the teaching and learning requirement of Diploma in Farm Management. Students who attend practical training under the supervision of professionals from the Estate Management Unit, UiTM Pahang branch. This 2-acre project is being done at the fruit farm, UiTM Pahang branch farm management unit, with the full collaboration of the senior management of UiTM, particularly Director Prof. Dr. Muhammad Ilham Adnan and the Malaysian Pineapple Industry Board, LPNM Pahang. Next, we go to the discussion. As a result of discussion with the supervisor for the pineapple planting plot area, Encik Samsudin Ismail, I was able to identify some of the action that must be taken in order to succeed in crop maintenance and harvesting in the pineapple plot. The action that can be taken to succeed the maintenance of pineapple plot is by weeding and transplanting. These two activities might seem trivial, but it's also important in pineapple production. So let's go first to the weeding. So what is weeding? The unwanted plants that grow in between crops are called weeds. The process of removal of such unwanted plants is called weeding. Weeding is important in agriculture because weeds are competitive plants as they reduce the useful crop yield by acquiring space, fertilizers, and nutrients from the soil. Pineapple plants needs ample space, about 5 feet between plants if growing in ground, or 3 to 5 feet in container. They also grow best in lots of sun. Therefore, weeding activities need to be taken to encourage the growth of the pineapple. So, let's see the importance and benefit of weeding. The importance of weeding around newly planted trees cannot be understated. Weeds compete for light, nutrients, and most importantly, available water in the soil. Weed control is vital to agriculture because weeds decrease yields, increase production costs, interfere with harvest, and lower product quality. Weeds also impede irrigation water flow, interfere with pesticide application, and harbor disease organisms. So what is the method that can be applied for weeding? There are 4 methods that can be used. First is mechanical weeding, second one is cultural weeding, third one is chemical weeding, and the biological weeding. So for the mechanical weeding, it involves pulling out weeds with hand or by means of ploughing. Weeds can also be removed. The use of a large comb like harrow or the use of a trowel. And the second one is cultural weeding. Cultural techniques of weeds managed include right methods preparation, timely sowing of crops, intercropping, and crop rotation. And the third one, we have chemical weeding, which is involved the usage of chemical weed killers called herbicide. And the last one, we have biological weeding. It is the planned use of insect or a few different organisms which eat and mainly ruin weed plants. So this is some activities that we done for weeding, which is we use a mechanical weeding by involve a hand and shovel and rake for weeding the pineapples crop. And next we go to the transplanting. Transplanting or replanting is the process of relocating a plant from one site to another in agriculture and gardening. Pineapple plants have a tiny root system and rely a lot on their leaves for water and nutrition. Therefore, they don't mind being dug up and transplanted. In the order of the task, transplanting the pineapple should be done to replace dead pineapple trees in crop areas. The pineapple can be transplanted by growing pineapple tops, but it's a slow way to grow pineapples, such as we can use suckers or pups, and slips grow up and fruit a lot quicker. So what's the advantages of the transplanting? First, it enables us to select only healthy seedlings for the plants. The second one, the process of transplantation promotes better penetration of fruit in the soil. And the third one, it promotes better development of shoot system of plants. And the last one, the process of transplantation enables us to plant the seedlings at the right spacing so as to ensure the uniform availability of water, nutrients, and sunlight to the plants. So this is the activity that we've done for transplanting the pineapple. As you guys can see, we use to transplanting the suckers or the tops of pineapples to transplanting in our pineapple crops. So as a conclusion, there are several more actions and tasks that may be performed to improve pineapple crop maintenance. Weeding and transplanting are two fairly easy and routine actions, yet their influence on crop productivity is significant. As a result, this point should be emphasized because even a little influence might have an impact on the growth of plantation crops. So that's all from me for the presentation. Hope you guys enjoy the videos and understand the explanation, plus we can gain a knowledge from the video. So that's all for me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.